So our last model is of a boundary type where continental crust collides with another piece of continental crust. So because these two are similar density, one isn't more likely to sink under the other. And in fact, what happens is they just essentially crunch together. And that squishing together causes many high mountains to be pushed up. So I'm just sort of indicating all the mountains here. And when you have rock squishing together like that, you're also going to get earthquakes. So you get a lot of earthquakes in the area, but not deep because there's nothing sinking down deep. So again, let's show where the boundary is between the two plates. And let's emphasize the direction of the motion as coming together by drawing two big arrows pointing at each other. And this is also a convergent boundary because the plates are converging, are coming together, but we call it a collision boundary. So convergent collision plate boundary. So this one is pretty straightforward. We're just understanding why we get the many high mountains and the many shallow earthquakes.